In this video, I will demonstrate the necessary parameters used to flip the part. Before we flip the part, we want to ensure our toolpaths are backplotted and verified to look for any errors or changes you may want to make in the program. Verify all the toolpaths as shown. Now select the Exit button. Once you have verified your toolpaths are correct, select the stock flip icon. When the dialog box appears, we need to choose the Select button to pick the geometry we want to flip. From here, select the All button, All Entities, and hit Enter to end the selection process. Now the Lathe Stock Flip dialog box will reappear. Under Transferred Position, choose the Select button and pick the endpoint as shown. Now input the final position values to specify the new chuck's location. Input the values D equals 0.875 and Z equals negative 1.35. I will now take a moment to explain a few of the settings found on this page. Geometry allows you to select the geometry and manipulate it. Stock position determines where the stock is originally located and where it will be moved to. Chuck position allows you to enter where the chuck is originally located and where the chuck will be repositioned. Now choose the OK button to flip the stock. The next toolpath we will create on the part is a facing toolpath. Select the facing icon. Select the OD Rough Right 80-degree tool and input the comment Face the part. Now pick the Face Parameters tab. In the entry amount, set a value to 0.05 as shown. Also, in Rough Step Over, make the amount 0.05. Finally, ensure Finish Step Over is enabled with a value of 0.01. Once the parameters have been set, choose the OK button to generate the facing toolpath. Now we will rough the part. Select the rough icon and pick the entities as shown. A branch point will be encountered. This is because the geometry is broken and Mastercam has reached an intersection. A path needs to be specified to complete the chain. Select the entities as shown to complete the chain. Once selected, choose the OK button to exit the chaining dialog box. Select the OD Rough Right 80-degree tool and input the comment Rough the OD. Next, select the Rough Parameters tab and ensure that your parameters appear as shown. Ensure you set the stock recognition to Use Stock for Outer Boundary. Then pick the OK button to generate the toolpath. Now we will finish the part. Choose the Finish icon. When the chaining dialog box appears, choose the Last button to select the geometry. And click the OK button to exit the chaining dialog box. From the tool list, select the OD Finish Right 35-degree tool and type in the comment Finish the OD. Select the Finish Parameters tab and ensure that your parameters appear as shown. Enable the Lead In Lead Out button and leave the default settings as shown. Now select the OK button twice to generate the toolpath. In the next video, I will demonstrate how to create a grooving operation to use multiple chains and remove the material in the grooves.